I'm super excited to announce that DocsAutomator now supports existing PDFs as templates. You might have a government document, a text form, some branded PDF, some certificate, whatever it is, something you can't really change and something that is also not that easy to be converted into Google Docs, the other template format that DocsAutomator supports. Then this feature is for you. You can simply upload that PDF, overlay it with data, and then automate documents from it from all data sources that DocsAutomator integrates with already. Let's get into it and let's take a closer look at it. So we're now in my DocsAutomator account. I've created a new automation. I've called it W9 forms because that's our use case. We want to automate W9 forms. And I click on existing PDF here. This is a new option here under template selection. And then I can upload an existing PDF. I've taken this W9 form straight from the government's, from the IRS's, from the government's website. And then we can click on edit. Edit brings us to the PDF editor. And as you can see, there were form fields already embedded on the PDF, and these are auto-converted now into fields in DocsAutomator's PDF editor. If they wouldn't be auto-converted, then we could also always add fields here, basically from the left side, text fields, images, checkboxes. These are the available fields that we input fields that we have here. But let me actually go back here. What we want to do is we want to rename them because they were the way they were embedded on the official government form. Doesn't give us a very nice name for them, but at least they're very well positioned and you basically have them in place already, so you don't have to manually add them. Of course, this only works if there are fields actually embedded in the template. Then we could also add static text here. So there's a static text field if you wanted to add some static text to your PDFs. And if you want to know how these will be printed, you just click on preview. And this basically then goes into preview mode, and you can see exactly how these will come out once you start automating them, printing them. So you can now basically go in here and align the placeholders exactly to make it pixel perfect. You have a few more options here on these text fields, like the font size, the font itself, the color, how you want to deal with text overflow, and the general alignment. So that really gives you a lot of options to make it pixel perfect and to basically automate PDFs in a pixel perfect way. Let me save and continue. Let's go to the template editor. Let's generate some preview data to simulate an actual generation of the document. So now I click on create preview. As you can see, it's blazingly fast. And then we have basically automated the document, of course, still with watermarks because we've created a preview here. Once you start sending actual requests, these watermarks would go away. So once you basically leave test mode and go into live mode. And this works from any data source. So all of the available data sources in DocsAutomator are also supported for using PDFs as templates. Last thing I want to show you is that you can also start signing workflows or with your existing PDFs. So here on the left side, you have all the available signing fields, and these you can use as well in order to get documents signed and in order to generate signing workflows with your existing PDFs. I hope this brings value. I hope you can put it to good use. Please let me know. And for now, I wish you happy automating and speak to you very soon.